Posting too many reels in a short period can be seen as growth hacking. Okay, creators who post 70 or fewer reels per week tend to have better distribution. So keep up the good work. Okay. Do you know that Facebook content creators should only post a maximum of 70 Facebook reels in 1 week? I will show you the proof in this video. Now, this is the date and time of our video recording, and we're looking at our Like Anika Family Vlogs performance insight analytics for the past 90 days, okay? So if you're going to scroll down, we have here information about views explained, okay? Weekly reels. Creators who post 70 or fewer reels each week perform better, okay? If we're going to deep dive on this one, there's a pop-up and then we have additional information. What's going well? You're posting reels at a sustainable weekly frequency. Why this matters? Posting too many reels in a short period can be seen as growth hacking. Okay, creators who post 70 or fewer reels per week tend to have better distribution. So keep up the good work. Okay. So for this one, I'll give my insights for more context. Okay. Recently, if you're going to see here our profile, it's showing recommendable profile. Your profile is marked as non-recommendable. Okay. So even if we go back to our approximate earnings page for monetization. We will see here. This is for transparency because I really want to share my experience to our loyal audience. And thank you for taking the time on watching this video. I'm sure this will be helpful information to everyone. Okay, your page ability to earn is suspended, like Anika Family Vlogs. Okay, actions you can take. So I'm done reading through the all the information and already performed the necessary next steps. But what I wanted to point out is that I think I'm guilty with that formation about the earnings and the analytics. If we're going to select the 90 days again, so you'll need to select 90 days so that you can go to this page where you can see that part which I read a while ago about views explained. Okay. Now, what happened here? I think it's saying that our page violated the Facebook policy on inauthentic engagement. Okay, but our page, I can religiously say to everyone that we do not engage into any follow to follow or fake engagement activities. Okay, I can attest to that. I'm really serious and I'm honest saying that. Okay, I really tried. We really performed the hard work on posting our videos. We had the consistency and we make it a point that we're always uploading quality videos. Okay. Now the reason why I'm saying that is that I'm guilty on this part. I think I reached the point wherein I was posting too many Facebook reels in 1 week. Okay. You can try to explore our Facebook page, like Anika Family Vlogs, and you will see here that we have multiple number of videos uploaded. I know they are quality videos, but I think I may have reached the limit of only 70 videos in 1 week. That's why you will notice here from this part you have the video where I got demonetized. The previous videos from this vlog I did, you will see here it has too many. Our videos were generating too many views. Okay, we even have some videos with 500,000 views in only a span of less than 2 months. Because I really, when we received the eligibility for monetization, I really worked hard to really meet the, because we're more honestly we're really gonna be more inspired uploading and sharing our videos if what we're posting would be monetized. Okay, my challenge on this one, if we're going to click on the content monetization again, there's an option here where you can view, yep, your earning rate, performance, and then your earning rate. Okay, I was able to read this information before when we started to monetize our page. Can you just imagine, per 1,000 qualified views, we're only going to earn 0.01 dollars. Okay, in Philippine peso, that's only 63 centavos. Okay, and based on our example on our page, we only had 1.1 million qualified views. Okay, and the top reasons for non-qualified views were 85% viewers weren't able to stay in the video for at least 5 seconds and above. Okay, now um, it so happened that we're able to increase our productivity on uploading the videos, but um, based on the definition which I read a while ago, it appears that it can be a contributing factor why our page received a violation for inauthentic engagement. Okay, even though we were uploading quality videos and we're not engaging into fake engagement, the overage, okay, of videos being uploaded in a week may have contributed to the reason why we received the violation for inauthentic engagement. Okay, if to recap, if we're going to read it again, okay, why this matters: posting too many reels in a short period can be seen as growth hacking. Okay, but this is really a challenge for us creators. Okay, as much as possible, we're wanting to increase our earnings, but if we're going to be limited to only posting limited number of videos in 1 week, even though you're wanting to upload videos, and the eligibility of each videos is that each per 1,000 views, $0.01, and then a viewer must stay at least 5 seconds and above. It's really going to be a challenge. Normally, the tendency of a viewer would be just to scroll um, his or her fingers and then not watch the video. So it will definitely not reach 5 seconds for most of the viewers who will find our content or Facebook page. Okay, so we will really need to be patient and build a loyal audience who will take time to really watch our videos. That's why it's important that the followers that we have are really those persons who followed us out of their free will and not because of fake engagement. Okay, so if ever there will be a chance that Facebook will give us another chance to have our page fixed. So, for example, our status will be recommendable again, and our violation will be removed, and we continue with our monetization. This is one of the important information that I'll make sure to remember moving forward. Or, for example, we have other Facebook pages. I'll make sure to avoid this error in the future. Okay, so I'll just show you our analytics while it's still green, because I'm afraid in the near future I will no longer see these views. We really worked hard on our Facebook page. Unfortunately, with some policies and guidelines, we were suspended or demonetized, and our page is even not recommendable. Okay, so I hope we're able to share very helpful insights. And if you're able to stay up to this part of the video, thank you so much. And I hope your Facebook page will also be monetized in the future. Okay, God bless everyone. Thank you for watching.